So in today's video, I got a record player and I got a disc, which was the Amazing Little Circus one, and I'm going to be playing my favorite song on it. Then I'm going to be showing you the disc. So I'm just going to put the phone down for you to listen to it, okay? Yeah. Wait, this isn't my favorite song yet. It's getting to it. This is my favorite song. And the song's name is Digital Days. Should be pretty long. Oh, I guess not. So now I'm gonna be showing you the record player and the disc. And be showing you how it plays the music. So I'm gonna put down the phone and take out the disc. Okay, so this is the disc. Wait, gotta turn it. So, Amazing Little Circus. But if you look really closely, there's like these little like bump things, and that's what plays the music. Like the little bumps. Some music. But if you scratch them, it'll damage it. But now time for the other side. So this is side A. This is side B. Let's palm me on this side. Now I'm gonna be showing you the record player. This is a record player. Yeah. And this is the actual case it came in. This is like the little protecting case. But these are all the songs. All the songs right here. This is like a little playground side. And wait, flip this side. This side is like the actual Digital Circus. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Like, subscribe, comment to everything. Peace.